Hey everyone, I'm Alli and welcome to Dance with VS, VersaStyle's online street dance tutorial. Today we're gonna do my favorite, house, specifically the jack. Let's go.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
All right, so to me, the jack is the groove or the foundation of house technique. To me, it's how you're connecting your body with the music. You're getting in tune with how you're feeling, how you're grooving. So today I just want to share some ways that you can jack. And there's many ways, but we're going to start with some popular ways that we use this groove to get into our movement. So it starts with your knees. So I'm going to get started with our knees being nice and loose, as if you're just finding the beat, finding the rhythm, finding the bounce, right? So let's do that a few times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and bounce, 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 bounce. Nice. So with this jack, I like to kind of think of it moving in a circular motion, as if our knees are waving with the music. So we're gonna kind of go forward, 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 forward. Good. I'll show you kind of to the side. Our knees are going forward, 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 forward. Nice, right? So also, we can also focus on our back going and catching. It's like you want to sit down, but then you're like, nah, I want to dance, right? So we're going to go back, 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 back. Nice. So as always, just keeping your knees loose and flowing with the music. So let's try it together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Are we feeling okay with that? Good. Let's try it with some music. All right, y'all, let's get started nice and slow. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good. Find that beat, find that rhythm, finding your own flow with the music. Nice. All right, you ready to pick it up? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Good. We can move it to the side. Good. I'm going to show you to the side, this side. Good. How we feeling? Nice. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now let's try the reverse jack. So for me, this movement starts from our knees going down, and we're going to lift our body and come up. Good. So starting down, dig down into the earth, down and up. Good. You take your body down, roll it up. Yeah, and you want to find a clear stopping point so that you can start again, right? So you want to go down, stop. Good. Down, stop. Down, stop. Down, stop. Good. I'm going to show you to the side. Here we go. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Good. Let's try it together a few times. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, let's try it a little bit faster. Here we go. And 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down, 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 down. Good. Let's do that same thing with music. Slow, and then pick it up. Let's go. All right, here we go. Reverse jack. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up. Good. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's try it a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's what we did today. We have the foundational jack going back, 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 back. It's a nice wave. You're feeling the flow. And then we have the reverse jack, which starts by going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah? Use both of these ways for you to stay connected to the music, right? So you can start here, start moving your body. Maybe you feel a new beat, so you want to take it down, down, right? So use the jack to just feel ready to dance and feel connected to what you want to do. So I hope you enjoyed dancing with me today. Stay tuned on our social medias, and I'll catch you on the next one.